Hello my friends and welcome. My name is Dennis and this is my fuel tank that I want to install on my Dnepr-16 motorcycle. We already cleaned everything inside, I mean the rust, the corrosion, and now it's time to paint this fuel tank. But before paint, you see this is actually very dirty fuel tank, so I need to clean it and also use this sandpaper to prepare it for the paint job. I have a wet tissue here and we're gonna just get rid of this soda and everything, the oil. I have the sandpaper with me and just wanna take this, and I may have some scratches, I may have not perfect, paint job done. I'm not the car repairing painter, but anyway, I just want the thing to be painted. Alright, and tissue once again, the wet one, to get rid of this dust. And now we need the solvent to prepare for the paint job. So again the tissue, and here we go. I'm removing the paint that was here. Some strips. Wow, it's very bad paint here. We'll remove this metal thing, and I think we need to block the inside. I'll just block it with the sandpaper. Well my friends, there's the paint that I will use, Mobile, the hardener, also Mobile, and the small pistol for paint job. Let's put everything here, the paint and the hardener. Mix everything. The pistol is ready. Here's my fuel tank after 3 layers of paint. As you can see, it's shiny now, but I have some of the particles, dust particles like this one. So I don't want to polish it. It can be polished, but I'll just leave it like it is. I'm not good in it, my friends, but I don't have any drops, the paint drops, like usually if you put too much of paint. I think it's more or less okay. Alright my friends, in my next video you'll see the fuel tank mount on my motorcycle, and we are going to start up the engine on my Dnepr-16 Sidecar. But today you may like this video or dislike if you want, but anyway, thank you very much for watching it. Have a great time.